So this is a continuation, part 6 or 7 or whatever it might be. It's kind of weird I'm taping the update. But what you're going to see is the video. I stopped in 2 days after the last check-in when they replaced the valve cover, the oil pan, the oil filter, and the harness. When they went ahead and installed the transmission onto the motor would not engage the splines on the transmission. So now they put another claim in or a work order to Maserati USA Regional and then Maserati Italy. They're going to tell them what to do, and we're going to see. His indication, the new estimate now, is 2 weeks. Now, one thing you have to remember is that I'm posting these videos because if you're going to own a Maserati GranTurmiso or you own one, this is a major big deal. There are some Maserati people on the forum basically saying it's not a big deal. They put in for GranTurmiso Ferrari motors all the time. Well, they shouldn't. According to the Maserati USA regional rep, he's only been involved in 3 GranTurmiso motor replacements, and he's been with Maserati for 8 years. So you can imagine, it's not an ongoing thing. The other issue that I have, and it's not about the dealership itself, the guys have been really good. The technician mechanic that's working on my car, I went to Maserati Academy down in Southern California. He was there for like 2 weeks. They showed how to replace a motor in a GranTurmiso, Ghibli, whatever it might be. But the dealership itself has only been open for about 10 months. It opened up in December 2018. Here we are now, October 2019. Coming up to November. So there's not a lot of depth. There's not a lot of depth in the mechanics being able to say, oh yeah, I've been doing this for 30 years. Yeah, this is the problem that I've had in the past, or whatever it might be. So that gives me a little bit of pause in the sense that, okay, I want them to go ahead and do what they need to do. And you'll see this in the video of me talking with them and so forth. And just trying to make sure that I understand that, it's a big deal to me, like I said, I've only owned the car, for about 3 months before this happened. Luckily I paid for the $3,000, 15,000 mile maintenance. Nothing was found. There's no issues. Car checked out perfect. Luckily I did that, because if I didn't do that maintenance, the motor would not have been covered. But here's the video of me when I stopped in earlier today. Today's being Thursday. The new estimated time is 2 more weeks before they get this resolved. He said offline he doesn't really know what that means. It could mean a whole brand new transmission. I really don't know. But here's the video. The splines, that should just really match up really good, right?
Yeah, so we're still figuring that out. It should be just pretty easy. He goes in there, but that's really catchy.
On what to do, or
okay. Yeah, so I already talked to him about 2 hours ago.
Okay.
And then that's when he told me, oh, you just open up we call it DOL, which is basically their call center. I told him.
Yep.